Hey students, welcome to the online learning. Today we will be learning chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Today our topic will be making larger number. This is our second topic. So let us begin with our today's topic, that is the need of making larger number. Why there is a need of making a larger number? Because it helps us in counting the largest collection. You can understand this thing with some example. As such, to count a number of children in your classroom, it can be a 2-digit number. Also, to know about the entire number of children in your school, that may be a 3-digit or a 4-digit number. Even this large number help us to have a clear vision regarding number of student in entire city. This also helps us to know about the number of children in one state or in any country. Use of 10, hundreds, thousand places are not enough to count this bigger number. So larger collections are not possible to be counted easily. Hence, there is a need of large number because it helps us in counting the largest collection. So now, before understanding making of larger number, we will deal with the topic that is about Indian system of numeration. We will just revise this topic. As such, we have learnt this topic in your previous class also. So now children, you can see onto the screen that how many total number of periods Indian system of numeration have. They have 4 periods. They are as like ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. And this each periods are separated into places. So ones period is separated into following places. They are likewise ones place, tens place and hundred place. Whereas the thousands period, it is separated into following places. They are thousands place and 10,000s place. Now when we talk about the lakhs period, here lakhs period is separated into following places. They are lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. Whereas when we talk about the crore period, it is divided into following places, that crores place and 10 crores place. So children, whenever we start placing any number in Indian system of numeration, we start placing the digit of given number from the right hand side, that is from ones place. Now understand the making of large numbers through the help of following pattern provided on the screen. You can see the first pattern, that is we are adding 1 with 9 and we are getting 10. So in first pattern children, you can understand that 9 is 1 digit greatest number. When they are added with 1, we are getting a 2 digit smallest number, that is equals to 10. Likewise, when we are seeing the second pattern, you can see that 99 is added with 1. So 99 here, it is 2 digit greatest number and it provides us 100 when added with 1. So here 100 is 3 digit smallest number. Let us understand this pattern more properly, that how the large numbers are formed. You can see that we are adding 9 with 1 and we have got 10. So here 9 is what? 9 is 1 digit greatest number. When they are added with 1, we have got 2 digit smallest number, that was 10. Now you can see the second pattern, that is 99. 99 is how much? It is a 2 digit greatest number, and when we add 1 with it, we get 100. So that 100 is equals to 3-digit smallest number. So likewise we will understand the further pattern. You can see the third pattern, that 999 is added with 1. So you have got 1000, and this 1000 is equals to 4-digit smallest number. Now on the next pattern you can see that we have taken a 4-digit greatest number, and when we are adding 1 with it we are getting a 5-digit smallest number, that is equals to 10,000. Now on the further pattern, when we have taken a 5-digit greatest number we are adding 1 with it, so we have got a 6-digit smallest number, that is equals to 1 lakh. Now again on the next pattern, when we see we have taken a 6-digit greatest number, and when we are adding 1 to it we are getting a 7-digit smallest number, that is equals to 10 lakh. Now onto the next pattern, when we are taking a 7-digit greatest number and when we are adding 1 to it we have got a 8-digit smallest number, and that is equals to 1 crore. Now onto the last pattern, when we see, you can see here we have taken a 8-digit greatest number and they are added with 1, so you have got a 9-digit smallest number, that is equals to 10 crore. So children, you can understand the formation of large number with the help of example provided on the screen. So let us understand this with a question. The question is saying, write the following number in words for the given number. So first number is 7039. As per to the Indian system of numeration, we will start placing each given digit for a given number onto the place value chart. So we know that in ones period we have ones place, tens place and 100 place, whereas in thousands period we have thousands place and 10,000s place. So let us take the first question, that is 7039, and we know the rules that we have to start placing each digit of a given number from the right hand side, that is from the ones place. So we will place 9 at ones place, then 3 at tens place, 0 will be at hundreds place, and 7 will occupy the thousands place. Now when we write this first number, given number, in words, you can see that 7 is occupying the thousands place. So what we will write in words? 7 thousands. Whereas you can see on the screen that how many hundreds are there? 0. So no need of writing that for 0. Now you can see onto the tens place, total how many tens we have? 3. Okay, so 3 multiply with 10 will give you how much? 30. Okay, and 9 is at place of ones, so 9 into 1 will give you what? 9. So we can write it as 39. So likewise you can practice for the second given question. Now your home assignment will be as like, you have to try writing separately the figures for the spread of COVID-19 in our state as well as in our country, and then you have to express that figures in terms of words using Indian system of numeration. Thank you.